Hello, welcome to Raisbeck Close. This is a lovely 4-bed detached house, brand new to the rental market. It's a very popular development at the north part of Carlisle. I'm just going to show you the street scene. You've got this block paved driveway, which is a cul-de-sac. You access it from that road there, and if I pan round you can see we are opposite some lovely open green space. So nice position, great family location. Let's go in and take a look. We should point out garage there, parking on this driveway for at least 2 vehicles, probably even squeeze a third one in, to be honest. Well, let's go in. We come into a small little reception hall. Gives access to the stairs leading to the first floor and into the living room. So living room, plenty of space in here for sofa, chairs, television table, and it has that lovely outlook over to the green. And this has got double doors which fold all the way back and open up onto the kitchen diner. So it could be a lovely big open social space, this. Let's start with the kitchen, which is fitted at base and wall level. We've got induction hob, electric oven. There is a integrated dishwasher. Those are under counter fridge and freezers there. So plenty of workspace. We've got a breakfast bar here, and this is a more formal dining area where you could put your dining table, family size, easily managed. And you have some French doors which then look out onto the back garden. There's a really handy and generous storage cupboard under here, and we then have access through to the utility. The gas boiler is in that cupboard there. You've got under counter space and plumbing for a washing machine, vented for a dryer. There's a door there to the side elevation, and we have a cloakroom tucked away here with a wash hand basin and WC. So that's your ground floor living accommodation, but we also have a pedestrian door into the garage. The garage has a metal up and over door, and we have some flooring down here. I think that it's been used perhaps as a gym, perhaps by the previous owners, before coming to the rental market. So really decent garage for whatever purposes you may require. Let's go and take a look upstairs. So as I said, we're in a 4-bedroom one here. So really ideal family home. When we make our way up the stairs, we come to quite a generous landing. And this gives access to all the first floor accommodation. We're going to start with a master bedroom. So lots of space in here for double bed. Bedroom furniture. There's a recess there, perhaps for a wardrobe or dressing table, chest of drawers. Once again, we're looking out onto that lovely open green. And we have a useful storage space, which is above the stairs. It's above the bulkhead there. The ensuite is a shower room ensuite. We have a thermostatic shower in a cubicle, low level WC. We've got a wash hand basin. We have an illuminated mirror and heated mirror, chrome towel rail. So nice ensuite facilities. The second biggest bedroom, again a double, is this one. And this once again looks out onto the front view. So that's a decent second double bedroom. Bedroom 3. Again, big enough for a double, slightly smaller this one. And you get your views from here over to the rear garden. And then we've got finally bedroom 4, which is a single, could be a dressing room, home office, study, that sort of thing. That's your 4th bedroom. And then we have the family bathroom with an electric shower over the bath, wash hand basin WC. We've got a chrome towel rail. And that completes the living accommodation. One final thing to show you would be the useful storage cupboard at the top of the landing. We'll go and have a quick look in the back garden. So the rear garden Can be accessed from the side door at the utility, which we saw over in that room there, or via these lovely French doors leading out onto a patio and giving us access to a secure garden. It's generous proportions. We've got a lawn. We have a large raised patio area, which could be used for patio furniture or whatever, maybe something play related for the children. And there's a view of the back of the property. So that's Raisbeck Close, beautiful 4-bed detached house, now on the market and fully available with hunters. If you'd like to arrange a viewing, please do get in touch.